guys, welcome back to Mini Drum Mondays. We're gonna do a beat for you all.
Woo! What's up, everybody? We are back. It is time for another episode of Miniature Drum Mondays. We've got Zane in the house. Woo! Yes, Zane, it's good to have you.
You can cross the road
What?
to go get some tacos.
Hold on. What? Restart. Tell me that joke and talk into the microphone. You gotta talk into the microphone.
Okay, why did the chicken cross the road?
I'm assuming because he was pretty hungry, right?
No, because he needed to use the bathroom.
He needed to... Alright, guys. So, we are going to do a drum challenge for you. And here's how the rules are gonna work, right? I'm gonna give you something to play, and you're gonna try to play it, right? It's kind of like Simon Says. So then you're gonna play it for me, right? Mm-hmm. Awesome. All right, who wants to go first? Do you want me to go first, or are you gonna go first? Huh?
Me go.
Are you gonna play a beat, or you want me to play a beat?
I want me to play a beat.
Okay, you go, and I'll copy you. Here we go. Who do you guys think is gonna win? Put it in the comments. All right, Zane's up first. Go ahead, Zane, go. Woo! I got it. All right, now you have to copy me. Are you ready? All right. I don't think that was right. All right, your turn. You show me one.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna try to repeat it.
I think he got it.
Do you think I was right or wrong? Wrong?
Nah.
Uh-oh, I got it wrong. Okay. All right, your turn. Here it comes. Ready? All right. Start down there. Hey, that wasn't too bad. A little bit of opposite day. That's pretty good. Hey, very nice. Let's do one more each. You just took off your Band-Aid, bro. That's going to save your life.
What?
Does your thumb hurt? What happened? Tell the fans what happened to your thumb.
So there's like this little
Microphone.
thing. So there's like this little pick thing on my thumb, so I had to rip it off, and it hurt so bad.
Ouch! Ouch! That's the worst.
Hi guys. ATM video. Welcome back to Mini Drum Mondays. We shouldn't have brought the mini drums here. Yeah,
We should have or shouldn't?
We shouldn't have, because those are probably dusty from the garage.
Okay, so I'm Adam, as you know, and this is Zane, as you know. You guys remember Zane? He's super awesome. Now, Zane has been coming over playing these things.
Best future drums out there.
That's true. So I wanted to ask you, Zane, what is your favorite part about the mini drums? What's your favorite part?
The first part of I liked when you didn't make the rest.
When I didn't make the rest?
That one.
So they need some work. Are they done? Are they done yet?
No.
They're not done. What do I need to fix?
You actually need to paint them red.
Okay, wait, here, come back over here. Here we go. Right here like this. All right, and I want you to be able to play them, so.
Quiet.
To win.
Ah!
Wow. All right, we are back with a quick update for the miniature drums. Guys, they're still in process. I wanted to ask Zane. Do you guys remember Zane? He's going to be the world's best drummer. I'm sure he is. All right, so here's my question for you, Zane. What's your favorite part about the miniature drums?
So I would like this one because you can buy them, and
The drum pedal?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, and actually, this one, you need to paint them, and also.
What color do you want me to paint them?
Same color.
Same color as these. Okay, same color as my old drum set. Okay. Now, these things are not done yet. I'm still working on a few different odds and ends. It's been a super busy season for me, but hopefully I'll have them done soon. When do you want me to have them done?
Like in July 25th.
July 25th of what year?
August.
August?
Yeah.
Of when?
In like 20 years.
20 years?
Yeah.
How old are you going to be in 20 years?
I'm like 15.
I'm 15. That's right. All right, anything else you want to say to the fans before we go?
So we're going to move on to like playing the mini drum. So we will see you.
Okay, I'll pause it.
So we just need to pause this and then we'll see you with the mini drum.
All right. So, Zane, should we do a jam session now?
Yeah.
All right. Jam session coming to you guys right now. Hit it. Why are you kissing my cymbal?
Get back up.
Get off of the cymbal!
Get back up there. Go.
All right, here we go. All right, ready? What are we gonna play now?
Go.
Are you gonna play? Come on, let's play. Here we go. All right. All right, what do you want to do now?
Nah, 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 nah.
Hey, remember that beat you had earlier? What was that beat you had earlier that was really cool? It was like remember? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There you go. Oh, get the stick! Hurry, 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 hurry! Fire, go!
Pause that!
Get up there. Go.
I'll pause it. Yeah. And here we go. Hurry, hurry, hurry! Get the stick! You want me to pause that part too? Okay. All right.
I don't know. Wanna be away.
Woo!
Quick song.
All right.
Zane, I have a surprise for you.
What?
I am gonna challenge you to play the drums with mini drumsticks. Oh my goodness!
Take-
You're gonna have to play huge drums with the mini drumsticks.
I don't think that's gonna work.
your hands.
Falling apart, man.
This was amazing. All right, I think that wraps it up for the video. Zane, get back up here. Tell everybody bye and thanks for watching. Here, wait, talk into the microphone too. There you go.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Everybody, thanks for watching. See you on the next Mini Drum Monday.
Yeah.